Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Petalist Bliss here. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another DIY for you guys. As you know, wedding season is on. Well, wedding season is always here, but people like to do it more in the summer. There's a lot more going on during the hot weather. So I said, let me come on and share with you guys a wedding centerpiece that you can do on a budget. Yes, you know, we're all divas on a budget. So I said, let me come on in. I have an idea, so I'm going to share it with you guys. And if you're not subscribed, please press that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of the Petalist Bliss family. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for clicking on my video and taking the time to spend a few minutes with me today. So let's get into the things that we are using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how I take these items here, which will be listed down below in the description box for you to see what they are and where I got them from, and turn them into this lovely wedding centerpiece. Alright everyone, we're going to start with this vase that we have here, and we're going to take some of our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and we are going to add them to the sides of our vase using some hot glue. Again, you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your bling wrap to your vase. And now we're just going to add some more bling wrap to the bottom, going right around. Okay, now we have taped off a section that we're going to leave bare, and we'll be using some Mod Podge and some white glitter that I got from Walmart. And we're just going to put the Mod Podge down and then add our glitter. And I'm only going to add one coat of the white glitter because it's very nice. It's full coverage and I think it looks very nice over the glass. I'll let it dry for about 15 minutes and then I'll add some more Mod Podge over it just to seal the glitter in. And then let that dry for about a half an hour. Now that our glitter is dry, we're going to add our bling gems from Totally Dazzled. Yes, our bling gems will give it a nice touch, make any piece look elegant and nice. So we just glue that down, and now I'm going to use these pearls here and just add them into the space of the glass that's clear. Add some little pearls going all around. I'm using the hot glue. Again, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use. And now to give our vase some height, I'll be adding this tea light holder with some E6000 to the bottom. Just add the E6000 and some hot glue and place it onto the bottom of our vase just to give it a little height. And now for our two candles, I just wrap some bling wrap going around the candle, and I'll be using some more gems from Totally Dazzled, and I'll just be gluing it on to the front of our candles to make them look very nice. And here's our finished look. I love how it turned out. I think it looks very elegant and nice. I absolutely love the white glitter. OMG, doesn't it look nice, everyone? I think it looks absolutely super nice on clear glass. Yes, it does. The white glitter. I love how it looks. And here I'm just showing you the centerpiece without the flowers because I think it looks elegant and nice, just like this. And we have our, oh, I did add some gems to the side of our vase too, and our candles. And I just placed them on top of 2 of the Dollar Tree mirrors. But these candles, you know, you guys, you're not to burn them. No, they're just for show. Not to be burned because they have the bling wrap and stuff like that on it. So it's just for show. And like I was saying, look at the vase. It looks elegant and nice. And with the little tea light holder on the bottom, just lifts it up. And now I'm going to show you with the flowers inside. Because, you know, this is what the centerpiece is all about. To have the flowers. So we added some beautiful white flowers from the Dollar Tree. And these little white budded things. I don't remember what they're called. I'm so sorry. But they just give the flowers a nice, elegant touch. Yes, it does. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful with the flowers inside. Again, I can't get over the white glitter. OMG. It's absolutely beautiful. And I have it sitting in my stash for the longest time. The white glitter, I hardly use it. But you know what? I gotta take it out and start using it because it's absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Don't you think it looks nice, the white glitter? And like I said again, I love how this centerpiece turned out. Really nice. I absolutely love how the vase turned out. I think it looks really elegant and nice. It will make a lovely centerpiece for a wedding. And you know, I like it without the flowers. I honestly do. Anyways, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Tell me what you like about it. Give me a thumbs up. And if you are preparing to do a wedding or any special occasion, I hope you do get a chance to make this lovely centerpiece to go with whatever decor you are choosing to place upon your tables. Yes, I hope you choose this one. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and spending some time with me. And like I said, I always appreciate it. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.